guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to add customers or clients, testimonials, deployments and feedbacks into your website checkout page, to your WooCommerce WordPress website checkout page to build more trust, attract more sales and make more profit, all into a simple, fast and effective method. I'm gonna leave a link into the description below and a card over here, tutorials where I do explain how to collect client testimonials, real client testimonials, how to build a form where you can collect, and how to concentrate, how to display these testimonials into your site. But to make things short, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, your domain plus WP admin. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover or mouse over plugins, hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna search for Strong Testimonials, just like this. Click on Install Now, then click into the Activate, and you're gonna be able to see testimonials into your WordPress left sidebar of menus, okay? And right here, we can work from. After having a couple of testimonials, once again, to collect testimonials, you can follow the video where I'm gonna leave into the card below, okay? After, you're gonna need to display these testimonials, okay? So we're gonna reveal the View submenu, hit the button Add View. Then you can use the display option, the slideshow, the form, or the single template, all up to you and to your needs. Now you can select one or more, some specific testimonial. We can change the featured image in the case that you want or not. You can place the entire content. You can enter the full name, the star rating, maybe the submitted date, looks good as well. Here is how the testimonial gonna looks like. Then you can customize, okay? You can customize the options, you can change the settings, you can change the image, how big it gonna looks like, change the background colors. You have a couple of options to customize things. I'm gonna do things simple and click on save, and the plugin gonna generate us a short code, okay? Copy this short code, then go to your WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over page and click on View All or click on Pages. You scroll down and find your checkout page, okay? In my case, it's a page called Checkout. WooCommerce create this page for us when you install the plugin. Click on it. Wait while the page loads. And while we wait, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. Then here is the WooCommerce checkout page, okay? And right here we can apply the testimonials in the case that we want. All we have to do is hit this plus button right here, or the plus button right here into this column, and enter with a short code. So we can click on View All and search for short code, just like this. Enter the short code that you just have copied from the plugin. Hit the Save Change button. And let's view the page. Down, here is the testimonial slider working on your page. Of course, if you don't like how it's gonna looks like, you can change the position of this testimonial. You can just drag this and drop, for example, right here. Or just replace the short code. Just like this. And now the testimonials are placed right here. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.